Are you tired of feeling like just another small fish in the vast ocean of hungry internet marketers? Do you dream of achieving success online, but constantly find yourself struggling to stand out from the crowd? Well, have no fear because we have the secrets you need to unlock the key to success in the online world. If you're ready to take your online business to the next level and start reaping the rewards of all your hard work, then you've come to the right place. I will reveal the hidden secrets of successful online entrepreneurs and provide you with the tools and strategies you need to thrive in the competitive world of internet marketing. Imagine being able to attract a steady stream of customers, increase your sales, and grow your business exponentially. It may sound too good to be true, but with the right knowledge and mindset, anything is possible. So, if you're ready to take the plunge and become a successful online entrepreneur, it's high time you learn the 3 simple key strategies to unimaginable wealth creation. Sign up today to make tomorrow your day to shine.